So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can blur part of the video that you wanted to blur it out. So in this timeline, you can see I wanted to blur this my analytic data. So let's get started. So first, make sure to find the video clip that you guys wanted to blur. So for me, it's gonna be from here to here. Okay, yeah, I have already split the video, so all I need to do is now copy and just paste the above this layer, just like this. So go to effect and then try to find blur just by typing blur. So now let's add the blur effect to this video right down. Okay, it's not on above, so you can see we have effect as blur here. If you don't see the blur, you can just turn off this eye and you can see this is how much the blur is working right now. So I'm just going to open this eye once again. Now click on this above video, then go to this video tab and then go to basic and go ahead and hit on this mask button, then use a rectangle. So in my case, I want to hide this portion of information, and then just click on this invert or reverse the mask, and there we go, we have hide entirely the information that I wanted to hide. So you can see that it's working perfectly fine, and there we go, we have blur it out. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next Capcut video. Peace.